by the water. Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Leaving no trace. Leaving this youth hostel. Facilities are absolutely fine. Wow, what a beautiful avenue. This is where the market was yesterday. And now it's all empty. Huge, huge trees, plane trees. Back starting the walk again over the medieval bridge. Lots of lovely swallows. Sometimes you need a bit of help with signs. Good morning, day 5. Well, it rained all night and it's still raining. But it was a good time in Ponte de Lima. It's worth a visit. Very short day we had. Only 3-4 hours of walking, bit of an amble. Not very difficult to do. And now we've got, I think, one of the biggest ups and downs on this part of the Portuguese Camino to do today. Yeah, everything fine, feet fine, body fine, food fine. Just getting on. But yeah, the expectation is it will rain all day, on and off, and tomorrow rain all day, on and off. But it's certainly a lot cooler, and yeah, let's see where the day takes us. I'm not quite sure where we have these statues. Maybe they're turning it into a park or something. But yeah, why not? Seen some storks. Oh, what a nice path. Bit slippy. That's pretty cool. All those paths, stream close by. Makes a change. Under the motorway. Into the first village after about 3.5 kilometers. I think it's 8 or 9 kilometers to the bottom of the hill, and then you go up and over and you're done. But not the biggest hill, I don't think. Very popular for your balancing granite blocks. The end poles are like pencils, all coloured. The rain has abated for a few moments as we go over this tiny bridge. An interesting shrine of some sort. There's a vehicle in here, maybe living off the land. All sorts of things. Teddy bears. Plastic, maybe things we just throw away. Interesting. Just the two of you then? Bark. And obviously the goat on the machinery. This is interesting. Under the motorway flyover, and they take you down, presumably down to the river. So that should be good. Over the bridge. This can't be the river that they've built this huge flyover for, but it probably is. La Bruja, welcome. Up beside the motorway flyover, some wriggly path following the yellow arrows through the newly planted forest. Whew. Up and down a bit. We've been going through some forestry land where they're clearly getting rid of fir trees and replacing them with eucalyptus, and also taking the opportunity to reshape the land into lots and lots of terraces. So interesting. I mean, we know eucalyptus grow quickly, excellent for burning, but yeah, sounds like a lot of dogs. Some rushing water. Following this river up the gorge. Pellegrino's in front. What a beautiful little church. Steep banks. A lone walker. Haven't seen many slugs. Well, that's quite a big one. They're very small holdings around here, but every now and again you do find a arrears. Ah, surely we can drink that. In the guidebooks, this protects the last water before you get over the hill. Part of this route that we're on now is an old Roman road. So, yeah, let's see. Under the tree, coming up a rise, thought I saw a Roman fort. Big sign saying Bom Camino. How interesting. What on earth is that? Maybe a fire tower made out of wood. We're in a clearing, so you never know. I was just thinking where we're going to get the extra elevation from. And they take you off up into the woods. That arrow is cut in to the granite. There's a few mixed signals there. Yes or no? Going off up there. No bears, no snakes. There's the sign up there. And almost near the top, they give you a cross. And then we have a gentle down into the next village. If you blink for a second, you could be on the Southern Upland Way. But the bit that we're struggling with is where's all the timber gone? Another cross and millions of stones.
One.
Oh, you're just so wonderful. Waggy, waggy tail. Yeah, it started to rain again. Lovely arbour all the way down. This would be great in the summer. So, today's been a good day for underfoot conditions. Far less road and cobbles and more off-road tracks through forests. Much nicer walking. In the end, it didn't rain as much as it was forecast to, but yeah, it was a good day. We're almost near the end. We're here just after Easter, so a lot of the crosses have these sort of adornments. So this is a Roman mile marker, over 2,000 years old.
I have WhatsApp. It's very easy to send a message. Okay?
Okay.
Only have a good price. Thank you.
Smash that like button.
Like and subscribe.